So I think that sometimes, even as we blame Somali, from what I gather, this is a lost case. So we can talk, Professor, if it is going to be judged by the court, this is a lost case. I think what we need to do, let's sit back and have Kenyans with some humility. Yes, we know Somalia is in the ICU, but it's a country. So I think, to me, even as we speak, and I've gathered a lot on this thing from the time we spoke last week and whatever, I'm told this is a lost case. So Kenya can say what it wants, but the moment we agree to go...
No, we need to question, why is it a lost case? Is it because we have a presiding president?
The evidence that is there, Kenya tried to tell the court that it had no jurisdiction. In the first place, you are telling a court that it has no jurisdiction. The court ruled against it and said, no, we have the powers to deal with this case. And let me give you two examples. We have the Bakassi Peninsula, Cameroon and Nigeria. Nigeria was behaving the way Kenya is behaving. We have the Cabinda enclave, Angola and DRC. DRC was behaving the way Kenya is behaving. Cabinda went to Angola, Bakassi went to Cameroon. So I think we have some presidencies here, and as a country, we need to sit back and ask ourselves, we can beat the drums, but if we are not prosecuting this case properly, we are going to lose.